Well, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add a password and lock your applications on your Xiaomi Android phone. So you can lock YouTube or Facebook, for example. So let's go to YouTube right here and turn this on. Now if I go to the YouTube application, wherever I have this, there should be a giant lock on it. Maybe it's under the Google. Here's YouTube. And now you can see I have to unlock it with this password. So I already have this on here. And now I can use it. So to add this, swipe on down from the top right, go to Settings, and then go to Apps. Go to Manage Apps. Go to App Lock. Now you have to come up with a password. And then it becomes easy under here. So you have two options. You have Use Your Fingerprint, or if you want to hide your sensitive notifications for that app. So you can do that for YouTube, anything you add really to it. And then just choose the applications you want to lock. You can literally lock your entire gallery under here. So here's Photos. So we can go to the gallery now. So if we go here, people won't be able to access the gallery application on your phone. Now the only thing is, if you are downloading a different gallery from the Google Play Store, well, the photos will be viewable on a different gallery application. It's just this specific one on the phone right now. You can lock your applications for your photos and files in a private folder. If you go to Fingerprint Face Data and you go to Privacy Protection, you can add them to a private folder in your gallery right here as well. So just look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.